Hi guys, so today I was at Toys R Us and they finally had like 30, 40 and more off toys, some toys. They had one LuvaBeau in the store. His box looked good, not like he had been a return. And it even looked like a newer box to me, but I can't be 100% sure because I've never had a LuvaBeau. So while I was picking it up, I noticed that something was rumbling around in the box. And I don't know if you can see in there, the pacifier part is off, but it's in the box and I'm going to see if I can fix it. I asked them if there was any additional discount because he was already down 40%, okay? They said they couldn't give any additional discount because the liquidators had to do it. And there was no way to even like hold him and then have a liquidator come in and call me or anything like that. So at the last minute, I did buy a Paddington and I bought some Secret Life Pets plush that were on good sales. But I decided to add him because I figured, well, I can get it from the company if it doesn't work. And it looks like it snaps back in. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have his batteries yet, my husband's out buying them now, I'm going to assemble the pacifier and try it in one of the LuvaBella dolls. So let me do that. I'm going to get this out of the package and then I will show you more. And then later on we'll try him and see how he works. Okay, so I was able to put the pacifier back together. It's not really sturdy. I don't know why. Let's see. This pops in over here, and then this should just go into those holes, and you would think it would be sturdy, but it's a little wobbly. I'm just going to see if it works though. It does, whoops. Okay, I guess it still has the chip, and I guess it still works because she did open her mouth. And she is sucking on it. She doesn't want it for some reason. She knows that it's not broken, but if it's working, I could put some crazy glue in there. Let me see. You want it? Will you take this? Will you just try it? Let me know. Tummy's full? I'm not trying to feed you. Now, let's just see if she'll... She does suck on it, so I guess everything is working as far as it goes. And if I pull it from the sides, it shouldn't break. And I probably can just add some crazy glue. If I add some crazy glue in here, because I think these two are not as long as they should be. So I'm going to try that, and I'm going to try him out later. And I will, like I said, I'll add something there to make sure that that passy is good. So we'll try it out some more later. Hi there guys, if you hear a noise in the background, it's a generator because we are in the middle of a state of emergency in the state of New York, upstate New York, not too far upstate, some people don't even call it upstate, about 90 minutes north of New York City. Tornadoes came through, high winds, we have down power lines, they don't know when they're going to get our service restored, so I figured let's try to improvise. I have a LED light on, I have some natural light coming through the skylight in my bathroom, which is where I am in my master bathroom, so if it looks weird, but that's where it is. I just put fresh batteries in him. I have not turned him on, so I'm going to take him and turn him around, and all I did was put in his batteries. I have not turned him on, so I'm going to put, let's see, I think that and that and so he seems that he's working good right now. Doesn't have any flaws that I can see, like creases or things on his face. He looks pretty good. I don't know whether he's a new generation or not, but let's see how his accessories work. I did not call, but I'm going to call about his pacifier to get it replaced. But for right now, just put it together. Okay, so I have his accessories. Let's see. Mouth opens good. He's still talking the baby talk, so. Okay, he blew a raspberry. He doesn't want any more. So he's blowing raspberries. My kid. Yeah. Now he's going to start crying. So let's see if he'll. Okay. Has he? Let's try the little lamb. Oh, he just opened his mouth, but I missed it. Whoop, and there goes that silly pacifier. Okay. I might get one of the other. can't believe this. Somebody put the pacifiers in the bottles for the other ones somewhere. So I don't know, but let's see if he'll take a bottle. Okay, so he does take that. So the only problem we have is that silly pacifier. And if I just take the part with the chip, come on, I have to crazy glue it. I'm not sure, let's see. Are you stuck on that? You will, but it's... There he goes. It looks silly because it's broken in the box. So if I can glue it, you know, but I am going to try to get one from the company because it was broken in the box. So there he is, and I will try to glue the other. I'm going to try to glue this with some good glue in the meantime so that it doesn't come apart. But yeah, he seems to work fine, so I am glad I got him because I don't know what the company is going to do now that Toys R Us is going out of business, whether they're just going to discontinue him or not. So yeah, he's kind of mad I took that. So he's a little bit more of a crier than I think the girls are. He's saying his tummy is full, but I'm not trying to feed him. So. Well, let's try his gigglies. Let's try his giggly points. Supposed to laugh. I'm just supposed to laugh here, buddy. Supposed to laugh on these little tootsies. Let's see, tummy is supposed to laugh, right? There he goes. There he goes. There's his laugh. So yeah, he's working well. Like I said, I don't know whether he is one of the second generations that have never had the boy. But so far the only problem is the pacifier, and I am going to glue that piece in, and I think he'll be okay then. Yeah, so I just have to glue that silly piece in there. And I will do that. But I'm going to shut him down now. Take that out. And But he's working good. I don't hear any clicking. I'm just going to turn him off. I'm just going to wheel him around, feel for his switches. And spooky. Oh, we didn't do peekaboo. You know what? We didn't do peekaboo. I forgot. Let's turn him back on. There he goes, right away. Peekaboo. So, all right, let me just get him now and pop him around here. And there we go. Okay, now he's off. So yeah, all I have to do, get that pacifier replaced, and I'll fix this one in the meantime. And there he is. So if you can pick up a LuvaBeau at your Toys R Us, you will get him for $59.99. Thanks for watching, guys.